If you're struggling to load up your trading account, I have the perfect video for you to watch. In today's video, we're gonna show you guys exactly how you can make money by bringing people to Hankox. And as you guys can see here, we are up $7,400 in the last 2 weeks. Not to mention, we had a $5,000 withdrawal last week, and we're gonna keep on pumping this account because as you guys can see here, US 30 is making some beautiful movement, and I plan to catch this retest right back up here. So trust me, if you guys want to go ahead and join the Hankox movement, the Discord is in the link in the description. We have a bunch of traders who are making money, and it's simply amazing. So first and foremost, if you guys want to go ahead and get Hanko, use the link in the description. And if you want to go ahead and load up and join hundreds of traders who are getting free money from Hanko, such as this couple right here.
Tired, I don't think I can do this anymore.
Hey, are you okay?
No, I've been trading with this broker and it's having a high spread and the withdrawal is taking me forever.
Hey, don't worry. I got you covered.
Really?
Yeah. Have you heard about Hanko Trade?
Hanko Trade?
Yes. Hanko Trade is a broker with zero spread and high leverage. You get to withdraw fast and easily. Do you know with Hanko Trade, you get 100% deposit bonus and you get to trade indices, crypto, Forex, and more. Sign up with Hanko Trade because Hanko Trade is trusted among traders across the world.
I'm doing that right now.
So as you guys can see, there are couples who are making money by bringing people to what I'm exactly about to show you. All you have to do is log in to your Hanko trading platform, and then all you have to do is click referral. Once you go to the referral page, you guys can see they have a brand new affiliate dashboard that's gonna keep track of every single person who registers, and you're gonna get $12, yes, $12 per lot. There's no broker that is paying that amount for each person that you bring. And as you guys can see here, this is my referral link right here. And when I share this inside the chats, as you guys can see here, today is Sunday, the market is not even open. We already have a $425 deposit. And keep in mind that if they choose a lower leverage, they're also gonna get 100% bonus on top of their deposit. So signing up is very, very simple. And all you have to do is make videos, post it to your story, repost Hanko's videos, okay? And on top of that, right now, if you guys wanna go ahead and join the Hanko Discord, we're gonna go ahead and give you guys the ability to win a $300, and all you have to do is just submit your content, okay? Make some cool content, promote it to your friends, promote your link, and then every single lot, you're gonna go ahead and get paid $12, okay guys? And as you guys can see here, in the last few days, we've had, some signups and some deposits, and this thing is only gonna go ahead and get better because their new affiliate program and the new affiliate dashboard. So if you guys wanna go ahead and join the best broker, I promise you Hankox has you covered, and let's see what you guys can create, because I promise you, you guys create some dope content and some dope things. We're gonna go ahead and also repost you. So the chances of you bringing people has literally doubled, and the amount of money that you're getting per lot size has doubled. So why not join today, Hankox.com, and I can't wait to see you guys on the other side.